Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to completely disable the speakers on an Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To do that, shut down your computer completely. Once it's off, briefly press the power button to turn it on. While the device is booting, repeatedly press the F2 key until you see the device dashboard. Here, go to the Integrated Devices section on the sidebar. To disable the internal speakers, either uncheck this checkbox or toggle the switch to the left, which will also disable your device's microphone. To apply these changes, click Apply Changes at the bottom, then click OK. You can exit by clicking Exit in the bottom right corner, or you can press Escape and exit that way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.